sandwich prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 60.5 inches, a depth of 29.5 inches, and a height of 44 inches tall with cover. Minus the cover, we have 35.5 inches. Measurements for the cutting board will include 60.5 inches in length by 10.25 inches in depth. Right and left flip doors, and located for each section, will be 8 pans, giving you a total of 16 pans that will be included. The measurements for each pan will include 6.5 inches in length, 7 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 16 pans that will be included. Bottom interior dimensions will include 56 inches in length, 12.75 inches in depth, by 26 inches in height. Measurements for the left and right adjustable shelf will include 17 inches in depth by 27.5 inches in length. Measurements apply for the left and right shelf. Coming to the right corner will be the ETL certification, and above is a thermometer. Located on the back will be the 110/120 voltage plug, along with the temperature controller. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.